Good day, everyone. Honorable School Administrator, Mrs. Beulah and Horace. Esteemed School Principal, Miss Isabel and Horace. Beloved teachers, proud parents, and dear classmates. Today is a very special day, and I am so happy to be standing here in front of all of you. My name is Real Audrey Changson of Kindergarten 2. I am honored to be the kindergarten of the school year 2024-2025. First, I want to thank God for His love and guidance throughout my journey in Kindergarten 2. He has blessed me with wonderful teachers, amazing classmates, and loving parents who always support me. To my dear teachers, thank you for your patience, kindness, and for making learning so much fun. Every day in school has been an adventure because of you. And I know that
You have taught
you have
us
taught us not just how to read, write, and count, but also how to love learning, help one another, and trust in God in everything we do.
to my
To my classmates and friends, thank you for the laughter, the games, and the memories we have made together. Learning is always better when we do it together, and I will always cherish the fun times we shared. To my parents and family, thank you for your love, encouragement,
and for always.
and for always believing in me.
Yeah. Your hugs.
Your hugs, prayers, and support mean the world to me. And I am so grateful for everything you do.
Ano yan? Being part na yan.
Being part of Abounding Life Christian Academy Preschool has been a wonderful experience.
Here
Here, I have learned not only how to read
and count.
and count, but also how to be kind, patient, and strong.
Ayun, this school
This school have taught
has taught me
me that mistakes are just part of learning.
and the trying again
And that trying again is what makes us grow.
through
Every lesson, story, and prayer, I have learned the importance of
faith,
faith,
perseverance.
and believing in myself.
Ayun. Kamay na lang, sige na.
This school
This school gapon.
Memorize, dili lang na sabi.
taught
Dili, grabe na yung isip. Dili, grabe na isip.
and I know that with God in my heart. Through every lesson, story, and prayer, I have learned the importance of faith, perseverance, and believing in myself. My teachers have helped me discover my strengths, and my
Friends,
friends have taught me the joy of sharing and teamwork.
we have grown.
I have grown in confidence, in knowledge, and most of all, in faith.
Alka.
Alka has truly been a home where I felt loved, where I know encouraged,
and
and
support.
supported. This is just the beginning of my journey, and I know that with God in my heart and with everything I have learned, I can face the future with courage and joy. Thank you once again to everyone who has been part of this journey. May God bless us all.